So when you think it's going to be the captive nut, that definitely was a lot of lubrication. About 5 days, impact, in and out, tapping with 2 ball peen hammers, pry bars. Um, Finally, a big creative pallet rack riser, persuasion bar for the 3/4 inch in the 19. Oh, my little improvised pointed tool to pound out the head that broke on the not captive nut, which would not move. And it broke right here below the washer. So anti-seize. This one I wound up using the Diablo. You really have to have this extension one. I don't think the shorter one would work. So that's going to be returned. But I wound up not using the metal blade because I wanted more room. And I think that worked out. Almost cut all the way through, wound up breaking it. Like I said, with the breaker bar and the or the 3/4 inch ratchet end, box end ratchet with a riser. But yeah, so this will be a rebushable. But yeah, here's a situation with it does have an extra, I don't know if you can see it. There's a spacer up in there. I should have listened better. So it's not just these, there's a spacer in the front and in the back. So I don't know what it is, 1.5 inches or 2, but I got to clean all that out and put the new bolts in, and they're newer at least, thanks to the 09 Corolla. And then work on some of these getting replaced eventually with KYB or OEM. But yeah, finally.